Hi, and welcome to our look at Galileo, an AI service that might just solve the biggest headache in machine learning today, making sure your models actually work the way you want them to. Have you ever wondered what's really happening inside those complex language models you're building? Well, that's exactly what Galileo tackles, and it's pretty exciting to share this AI review with you today. Think of Galileo as your expert companion throughout the entire machine learning lifecycle. But what does that actually mean in practice? Let's break it down. First up, Galileo helps you understand your data better than ever before. It shows you exactly what's in your training sets, spots potential issues, and highlights areas that need attention. Want to know if your chatbot might give weird answers? Galileo will tell you before it happens. But here's where it gets really interesting. What if you could see exactly how your model makes decisions? Galileo offers detailed tracing and visualization tools that show you the step-by-step process of how your model thinks. It's like having X-ray vision into your AI's decision-making process. You might be wondering about testing and monitoring, and yes, Galileo has that covered too. It offers comprehensive testing tools and keeps watch over your model's performance once it's live. Imagine getting an alert the moment your model starts acting strange, instead of hearing about it from unhappy users. One of the coolest features? The LLM Studio. This is where you can fine-tune your language models, manage prompts, and even track costs. Speaking of costs, did you know Galileo can help optimize your spending on API calls? That's right. It helps you build better models while keeping an eye on the budget. Teams from startups to major corporations are using Galileo to improve their AI applications. They're reporting better model performance, fewer issues in production, and more efficient development cycles. Want to see more about how Galileo could help with your machine learning projects? Visit jimcarter.me and search for Galileo to learn more about pricing, features, and how to get started. Thanks for watching our review of Galileo, the tool that's making machine learning development clearer, more efficient, and dare we say, more fun. See you in the next review.